Good day, everyone. So, today we will discuss another topic about sets. So, we will focus only on union, intersection, complement, difference, and symmetric difference of sets. First, let's talk about union set. So, the notation to be used for union is just like letter U. For union sets, any two sets A and B is the set of all elements that belong to either A or B, or set A or B, or both set A and B are combined to form a new set. Meaning, you will just list down all elements coming from two sets, from the first set and the second set. Let's have here an example. The set A has elements set of A, B, C, D, and E, and our second set, which is set B, has the following elements: set of A, E, F, and G. The union of two sets A and B are those all elements coming from set A and B, but always remember, repetition is not allowed. You will just write the unique elements. So meaning, if A already appear in set B, you will write one letter A only for those two sets. Or for you to easily list down the elements, you have to match those elements that are the same, so that you will not be confused, or you will not overlook to write the repeated elements. The answer for A union B, we have a set of A, E, B, C, F, D, and G. Let's have the second one, intersection of sets. So for the notation to be used for intersection is just like opposite of union. The intersection of two sets A and set B is a set of all elements that the two sets have in common. So the main concept for intersection is just a common elements between the two sets. Let's have here an example of set A has the set of 1, 2, 3, 7, and 9. And for our second set, we have set B, a set of 1, 4, 3. So the intersection of A intersect B, or the intersection of A and B, always remember, for you to easily answer this one, just pair the elements that are common to each other. So the answer is set of 1 and 3, that only common to both A and B. Complement of sets. For the notation for this one is just like an apostrophe. So the complement, you need to have a universal set for you to compare from a given set. So the complement of a set A is a set of all elements of the universal set U that do not belong to set A. So the reference of your answer is coming from the universal set. So the universal set always contain larger elements than the given set A or B. Here, universal set has the set 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, and 15. For our set A, we have a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the complement of set A are those elements that do not belong to set A, or it's just the opposite. Just remove the common elements and the remaining one or the opposite of set A that will complete the set A itself, because complement means completeness. We have a set, the complement of set A, we have the set of 1, 3, and 15 after removing the 2, 4, 6 from the universal set. Okay, that's it. Now let's have here difference of sets. For difference of sets, it's just like a notation of a basic symbols, which is minus. The difference of two sets A and B is a set of all elements which belongs to set A but not belong to B, or elements which belong to set B but not belong to set A. Always remember, if we are in the difference of sets, the first set would be the reference of our answer. Set A has the following elements: the set of paper, notebook, pen, and crayons. For our set B has the set of notebook, pencil, and marker. Here, for difference of set, always remember, if we are in A difference B, it's just like doing the basic from the complement. We need to pair those elements that are the same. We have notebook, so we will pair. We need to match again the common elements, and always remember, the first set that will be written in difference of set will be the basis of your answer after crush outing those common elements. Here we need to crush out the notebook because they are common to both set A and B. After that one, the remaining elements are set of paper, pen, and crayons. So that's the answer. So we're going to try if we can get the same elements if we are in set B difference set A, or B minus A. So always remember, in difference of set, our reference or our answer would be based on the first set that is written, which is our B. Here, we need to remove also the common elements, which is notebook, and we will focus our answer on set B because we are in B difference A. So our answer would be pencil and marker. The set of pencil and marker. Hope you understand for difference of set. Now let's move on to symmetric difference of sets. In symmetric difference of set, you're going to write only the unique elements. So this same concept with difference. You have to remove the common elements, but you will write the unique elements coming from first set and second set. So for symmetric difference of set, we have a notation which is a circle with a plus in the middle. So let's move on to the example. We have here a set of A contains the following elements: set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And for our second set, a set of C has the following elements: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 13. Again, we need to remove the common elements, so the symmetric difference of A and set C after removing the common elements, which is 3, only 3. So the set of, we have here the set of a symmetric difference of C, the set of 6, 9, 12, 15, 1, 5, 7, and 13. It's okay if you will not arrange the following elements from ascending or descending order, as long as you have listed all the unique elements. So that's the answer for symmetric difference. I included here the keywords for you to easily memorize or remember the operation of set. For union, always remember you have to list all the elements, but repetition is not allowed. For intersection, you need to list down only the common elements. And for the difference of set, we need to focus our answer on the first set that is given. Or let's say if we are A minus B, we will focus our answer on A. For complement of set, we will focus our answer on the opposite set or the universal set. For symmetric difference, you will just write down the unique elements after removing the common element. I will be glad if you will ace your exam for operation of sets. Let's do it together. Example number 1. If set A, the set of 5, 7, 6, 8, and or set B, the set of 6, 8, and 10, what is A intersection B? We need to write down the common elements from set A and B. So the common here, we have 6 for both A and B, and 8. So the answer is letter B, a set of 6 and 8. For number 2, which of the following describes A union B correctly? For union, we need to jot down all elements coming from set A and B. In A, all elements only in A, That's the difference of set. B, all elements only in B, also difference of set. For C, all elements in A and B combined. So here we're looking for this one. So this is the answer, letter C. But if we go down to letter D, only common elements. So common elements is applicable only for intersection. Number 3, if universal set, the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and our set A, the set of 2, 4, 9, then A complement, we will focus our answer in universal set after removing the common elements to both set. So we will remove the common elements. We will remove the common elements, which are 2, 4, and 9. And the remaining elements are 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the answer. For letter B, we have 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So 8 is not part of those elements. For letter A, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is the answer, letter A. For letter C, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. The missing here is 0. And for letter D, it is symbol for empty set. Another, if set A, set of G, B, D, and C, and our set B, set of B, E, C, F, then A, symmetric difference, B. Symmetric difference means we're looking here for the unique elements from both set. Again, we need to cross match the same elements, so that we can identify the unique elements coming from A and B. Remove the B because they are common to both, and also C. So the remaining one is G, T, E, and F. For letter A, we have G, B, D, F. So B is not part of the unique elements. For letter B, we have G, B, E, F. And also again, letter B is not part of the unique elements. They represented both the set A and B. For letter C, we have G, B, C, F. Again, there is a B and C that is common to both. So let's move on to letter D, which is G, D, E, F. So we're looking for this answer. So the answer is letter D. For number 5, the difference set A minus B means, remember the reference answer here is coming from set A. We will focus our answer only and only to set A after removing the common elements from set A and B. So option A, elements in A but not in B. This is the right answer, but let's try letter B. elements in B but not in A. So this is the example for A, difference A. And letter C, all elements in A and B. This is for union of set. And for letter D, the complement of A. So here is applicable only for complement. Let's have number 7. Which of the following is true about symmetric difference A and B? So for symmetric difference, you will list down the unique elements after removing the common elements from A and B. So option A, it equals union of A and B. So this is not equals. We're looking here the unique. For letter B, it removes all common elements. Yes, we were going to remove all the common elements, and you will write down only the unique elements. So this is part of the symmetric difference. For letter C, it is the same as complement. This is not the same with complement. For letter D, it retains the common elements. We will not retain the common elements, we will remove the common elements. So the correct answer is letter B. Now for number 8, if we have universal set, the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a set of A, the set of 1, 2, 2, and 3, the set of B, we have set of 3, 4, 5. Find complement A union B. Remember, there is an apostrophe. So first, we need to solve inside the parenthesis, which is A union B, before we go to complement. So A union B, we will write down all the elements coming from set A and B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for the second step, which is complement, we will refer our answer from A union B to universal set. For this one, we will remove the common and retain the unique, which is set of 6. So the answer is letter A. The last number, if set A has the set of M and S, and set B the set of O, P, Q, and set C we have set of N, R, what is a intersection B? After that one, you have to make a union to C. First, we need to answer for A intersect B, which is there is no common element to both A and B, so the answer is empty. So A intersect B is empty or null. Then we need to connect or union with set C. For our set C, we have elements set of N or. Always remember, for union is just listing all the elements coming from the first and second set. So the answer is NR. It's letter D. That's it. Hope you enjoy our operation of sets.